When installing floor heating, you will backfill concrete on the pipe. At this time, you can add a layer of mesh to strengthen the concrete. In China, metal mesh was widely used in the early years. But during use, it is easy to scratch the hands of workers, also damage the pipe, causing unnecessary trouble in the later period. Therefore, in recent years, our company is promoting the new product, fiberglass mesh. Its high tensile strength can prevent concrete cracking effectively, which is better material to replace traditional steel wire because it has better airfly resistance and longer use life. Its transportation is also convenient and safe when you put it in your car. This is one little safety suggestion when installing floor heating. Hope it can help you.